What's happening, everybody? The Poet's here. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. And today's video has taken too long to make. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 Special Edition, the one in burgundy. It was an online exclusive, and when you ordered it right away from Samsung's website, it said, this is going to take an extra 3 to 4 weeks. All right, I was in no rush. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 for a while now, since it came out. And I've absolutely been in love with that phone. It does almost everything that I need it to do. And in fact, I took it to CES in Las Vegas in 2022. I filmed over 110 videos on it, edited almost every single video on the Z Fold 3, and got like 15 million views and stuff. So it's a very, very capable phone. So obviously if you get the 4, that's one more, right? So it's better. Well, yes, it has a faster processor and a few other bells and whistles that are nicer. So this one is in burgundy, and I'm looking forward to it because I do have the S22 Ultra in burgundy, and I love the look and the feel of the burgundy, and the smell, and the taste. So let's open this up. Let's see what this is like. This is not going to be a review. The review will be coming. This is just like my first impressions and a traditional unboxing, or my style of unboxing. Let's get to it. So I always do like the print on these things. Not too bad. And I'm just gonna carefully open this up here. And I'll give you all the first look of this. So the underside, I always learned that you need to check the underside of these things, actually. Yeah, there's stuff here. How do I open this? So let's see here. Hey, see, all the goodies are right here underneath the front cover. So we do have the, this is very important. This is something that doesn't come with the iPhone 14 Pro, all right? So that eSIM thing was a debacle. I'm not a fan. We have a USB-C to USB-C, very good. And of course the quick start guide. And then the champion of the hour. This immediately looks very, very enticing. So we just kind of take that out here. Typically there's nothing underneath it, so we can just set that aside. Yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in burgundy. Updated cameras, updated processor, and let's see if it's an updated wrapping. How do we take this off? No, I want to give you guys the full experience. Like this, maybe? No? Like that? No? Come on now. Oh, it's right here. There we go. Okay. So this is the front screen, obviously. This is the rear. And then this is the nice folding area. Oh, and that is a satisfying fold right there. That is much more satisfying than the Z Fold 3. Oh, yes. Okay. And it does feel like it is closing actually a bit nicer than the Z Fold 3 as well. This is a beautiful looking phone. This burgundy is no joke. It's like saying, like, take me to Beverly Hills and let's go shopping. If anybody wants to take me to Beverly Hills and go shopping, you know. But yeah, this is nice. Now it does have a kind of a factory installed screen protector right here. I do recommend that you go ahead and keep it on for as long as you can if you want to like maintain the scratch freeness of the screen. If you do want to take it off, then I suggest you go to a Samsung Experience store or something like that to have them professionally take it off. The experience is better without the screen protector on these things. A lot less fingerprints, maybe like a third of the fingerprints will actually show up, and it actually feels much better with the S Pen and writing. But if you want to be safe, go ahead and leave that on. And this screen is very nice as well. So let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time, as I do have fingerprints all over this. And hopefully there's a charge. There it is. Now you are going to get a wobble, unfortunately, when you set it down like this, because this does protrude. So I do suggest you get a case for this, a case of your choice. There's a lot of cases that just protect the phone. There's some that also protect the phone and have a slot for the S Pen, because yes, this does have a stylus pen as well. And it's at 73%. Very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and do a follow-up video. But yeah, all of this is spectacular. I'm excited. So thanks for watching this quick video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 Special Edition in Burgundy. And stay tuned for my full review, because I'm going to be doing a lot on this phone. Like and subscribe, and share with all your friends. Peace.